welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, I want to say hi you, welcome back to my channel. And if you're a new subscriber, I want to say hi, welcome to Pixie Hauls. My name is Aisha. I mostly do hauls, makeup tutorials and lifestyle. So welcome to the fam. So today I'm going to do nothing much more than a makeup tutorial for summer, for beginners out there. So I hope you guys are ready with your palettes, with your makeup brushes, and you're going to join me in this video. So I'm going to create 5 different looks using Gorgeous Me by Beauty Glazed, and I'm going to create 5 different looks that you can use during the summer if you want to, have the soft glam look, or a very colorful look, pop of color or anything. I'm going to go through this crazy series with you guys, and you can learn. I'm not a makeup artist, but I try my best. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope you stay till the end of the video.
You gotta notice, hey, I'm falling lucky. Feel so lucky, feel so lucky. Feel so lucky. Feel so lucky, feel so lucky. Feel so lucky. Feel so lucky, feel so lucky. Feel so lucky. Feel alone inside a crowd, 'cause I can't see